Good morning, YouTube. We are live for another trading day, man. Another trading day. The market is actually green this morning, which is great news. Great news. We had the attack this weekend. It almost got real. But our defense contractors held it down this weekend. People, that Iron Dome out there in Israel held up. They shot 200 missiles. I think 99% of the missiles didn't hit. So, we got to shout out Lockheed Martin, Raytheon. And for all my Palantir shareholders, I bet you Palantir was involved in that one. But, that's not what we here for today. So, we actually got a pleasant surprise this morning. We thought we might have been looking at a sea of red, but it's cool. Everything's green. Everything's green. Tesla laid off a bunch of employees. They're down today. Let's see. Nvidia, AMD, everything's up. I was looking at this over the weekend, is energy transfer, because of what might be going on with oil prices. So we might get into a swing trade later on in the day. But we just going to start our day watching some price action. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if we're going to trade in the first 30 minutes, but we're going to start our day watching a little price action out here. Let's see what we got. Let me get this thing right. There we go. All right. Let's see. Just another day. The market is now open. The market is now open. See how we start off today. We got us a little red bar. Coming down, test some little EMAs. Nothing too crazy. Market's up 0.84%. Palantir is up 0.8%. That was fast. Oh, they just going crazy over there. We'll see what happens with that. All right. You know what I'm saying? This first 30 minutes of the day, we're going to try and be a little patient. You know what I'm saying? We might take some, we might not. But, first thing in the morning, unless it's really sweet, we like to sit there and watch it, wait it out. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Got the S&P going good. Is this going to be about a dip day, people? Is this going to be a day where I wish I had bought the calls right now as we speak type day? I doubt it, but we shall see, people. Lockheed Martin and Raytheon was up on that news. Palantir's up on that. Well, I ain't going to say on that. It's a lot of reasons Palantir could be up, but just know we the software prime now. So, matter of fact, while we looking at this early morning price action, let's check out some Palantir this morning. Oh, Palantir is doing a thing this morning. Yes, sir. Change of character. Damn. Okay. Okay. I like that. Going on my little Palantir calls. My leaps, man. They got all my leaps red right now. It's all good, though. It's all good. I bought them leaps with profits from the last leap. See how they do me? I'm on AMD. I want to be on AMD. Fuck. There we go. Okay, that's more like it. That's more like it in case we might want to trade that today. Let's get back to this chart, people. Let's see what we're going to do. What we're going to do. Okay. Got the QQQ going down a little bit. They popped up. Now they want to go down. Let's see what we got today. Let me turn that up a little for you guys. Everybody, let me know if anybody watching. Let me know how the audio is on the stream. All right, and we just watching, waiting. This is day trading. This is real trading. Sit, you watch, you wait. Look at Palantir going. I should have traded them. I love it. I'm already in Palantir, so I'll let that ride right now. Break a structure, strong high. That is a nice setup. I would need some sort of pullback. I might try that for a small early morning trade in a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. Give it a little more time to play out. Look at them over here. This QQQ, man. What y'all got to figure out what y'all going to do. Okay. Big old red bar at the open, man. Look at them trying to trick people out their money this morning. That ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. No, we just gonna wait it out. Just gonna wait it out. Let's see. We got Celsius down. Microsoft up. Meta is up. Coinbase up. Most of the market's green today. We got some stocks down. Snowflake's down today. Apple's down today. That's no good. Probably coming off that big day we had last week. Let's see what this market want to do. And Palantir over here. They need to break this little strong high. I got these levels drawn. That's from a higher time frame. I really wish they could break that. Coming down to the 200 EMA. Let's see how they react to it. Are they going to bounce? Are they going to break it? Got a huge fair value gap to the downside on it. Oh, damn, I'm on the 5 minute. I'm tripping, y'all. It's on the 5 minute. I thought I was on my 2 minute. Jesus. It's all good, though. Still early in the morning. So they're trying to break the 200 on 2 minute. We're going towards it on a 5 minute. It's actually kind of bearish. Let's see how they react at this level, people. Are we going to reject or are they going to crash straight through it? It's very interesting to see. Rest of the stocks pulling back. Got Nvidia coming down. Palantir's holding up, but that might got to do with the conflict. Let's see. Well, not the rest of the stocks. AMD's down. I want to see what they do here. I want to see what they do here. Let's see what they charging for puts and calls this morning. All right. They retesting? Are they gonna reject though? We shall see. We shall see, chat. It wasn't so early. I damn near would take this setup. Let's see how it goes. It's a very interesting point that it's at. It's a very interesting point. Let's see. Let's watch it out. Let's wait it out, people. I don't know, people. On a short time frame, it looks kind of bearish, but if I'm looking at the macro news, it shouldn't be the worst day. But we did have the inflation data last week. So it's like on some technical analysis, yeah, it looks like it should go red from here, but I don't trust it enough to hop down with no big money. I test it with a 50. We'll test it out, see what we can do. If I lose like $10, I get out of this one. I should just watch it, but you know, Let's put a little something on the table. See if we could do something first thing in the morning. Let's see what they're gonna do. We're rejecting. This is very interesting. So what I'm looking for, I bought a small put, nothing crazy, a small amount of money, just to kind of test the waters and see what we get. So if it goes down, you know, I make a little bit of money. If it goes up, I ain't gonna lose nothing but like $10, and then we'll just wait for some real price action because it's still 9:39, so we can't do nothing too crazy just yet this morning. But I want to see how we react to this area, this fair value gap right here. I want to see, well, if we get up here, that damn near be my stop out. But I want to see, do we reject out of here? And we're going up there, so let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there you go, $10. Let's see. All right. So we went up there. Let's see. Let's see what happens next, people. Like I said, I'm not that excited about a short today unless like the whole market starts breaking down. What I want to see is, now that that push lower below that 200 fell, I want to see, can they reach for a high? I want to see, can they reach for a high? I don't want to take it as a trader. I don't want to take it as a trader because what I want to see, I'm looking to see, can we retake this high? And when we get up there, do we break through the high or do we go down? I want to get a good idea of what kind of price action we dealing with today. That's what I'm interested in right now. Because we tried to take a low and it didn't work, which is cool. Now let's see, can we take a high? What do we have here? Like I said, it's 10 a.m. price action. We might have to sit back and just do a little watching and wait until about 10 a.m. You know what I'm saying? There's some, you know, scalps. You could try and play it from that low to that high, but we'll wait. I want the bigger move today. How's everybody in the chat? Anybody watching? Hope y'all having a good morning. Hope everybody's positions are doing well. Okay, we got Palantir up 1.76%. That's what I should have traded this morning, but it's all good because we got plenty of leaps on Palantir. So that is cool. That's cool by me. And let's keep watching. All right. Look at some stocks. We got Tesla tanking on that news about the layoffs. Would have been a nice trade. That would have been a nice trade right there. Let's see. Nvidia bounced back from the sell-off this morning. Now they're breaking up, market structure shift. That is a decent entry right there. If I had that money to put on that, I would take that. That is nice. Anybody looking? This might be a nice trade right here. We might look up and see Nvidia up some percents later on. We do got this breaker structure from pre-market with a fair value gap. I like this setup because that shows strength. We had a fair value gap before it. It could keep going higher. And if they fail this area here, another reason I like it, if they fail this area here, we could probably reach for this low, so that could be a short if this fails. So watch this area, you know what I'm saying? I like to try and get the pullback into this and try and, ride it up. But if you're not in it, you could just watch it and see, do they break out and give you another one of these fair value gaps and try and catch that pullback? Or you could take the risk and buy it now and just get out of it if they start closing like under this market structure shift, because then they'll probably reach for this low. But that's just a little trade idea for you guys. If anybody watching, I'm gonna get back to watching my QQQ though. This one of them days where it hurts to be trying to trade the QQQ because they're actually, not moving as fast as the other stocks. So it's like a lot of, like, I prefer to trade breakouts. I will trade rejections, but a lot of the good breakouts is going on the stocks. And as you've seen with QQQ, we tried to break a low and it didn't work. Now we're trying to test this high. I want to see how high can they get. Can they get all the way up to the high? And then if we reject again and come back down up there, it might be a rejection day for us people. We might be doing rejection trades if they would decide to do that today. We will see though. We're going to make it happen in these markets. Yes, sir. First thing in the morning. How was everybody's weekend? I chilled out this weekend. It was pretty cool for me. I did a little research on a few stocks, thinking about some swing trades. Matter of fact, let me look at the stock I was looking at this weekend, see how it's doing today. I was looking at Energy Transfer because, we've been having a lot of conflicts. Oil prices might do some rising. So I was thinking maybe I could make me some money on that. Let's see what we're looking like on the daily on this guy. Then let's see. Let's go down to the 2 minute front up. See what they're doing. Okay. Don't look like the kind of stock with the liquidity I need a day trade, but it's a $50 billion company. I'll look at it. I will look deeper into it. I might be buying some leaps later on. It is up like that. Let's go back to QQQ. Oh, we didn't reach all the way for the high. Look like we only got halfway there. That's what we're doing today. That's what we doing today, people. You see them. Yeah, let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA's like its own index. Okay, so that market structure break and shift play, you would have made a few percent if you took that. Like, you wouldn't have made the craziest percent. It only went from here to here, but it's starting to do something. So, yeah, that play. Like I say, that's textbook. We wait all day for a setup like this. Just not NVIDIA. They cost like $1,500 just a day trade. So, it is what it is. But that's the setup right there. Real simple. Let's see. Go back to this QQQ. Amazon at all-time highs. Well, near all-time highs. The big old fair value gap to the downside. That's real. It's being respected. I see you. Let's see. Now they coming back down. Now we coming back down. So we did not take the whole high, but we did reach all the way up to the 9 EMA. Okay. And we're coming back down. Try to test the low. What they gonna do here? Is they gonna break it this time? I'm gonna wait for the real break. If I take the short, you feel me. But I don't think I'm taking the short today. Not with NVIDIA at 1.64. If they give me a reason, I'll definitely do it though. Let's see what we gonna do. What we gonna do? Well, they didn't come all the way down to that 200, but they basically just came down to the 200 and bounced. Let's see. Let's see. All right. This is about the fourth day in a row since I started this stream where we didn't do nothing but sit and watch price action till 10 a.m. It is a 10 a.m. type of market right now, people. Let's see what they want to do today. In other news, man, how'd y'all feel about the Drake diss this weekend? I know that was cool. That was cool. The Drake diss or the Rick Ross diss, who y'all going for? I like Drake, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm from Atlanta, so you know Future on the other side, and I do listen to more Future on a daily basis, so it's a tricky one for me. It's a tricky one for me. Let's see, Tesla laying off 10% of their workforce. Trump done dumped stock. Look at Trump dumping that stock. Y'all knew he had to get that money somehow. He had to get that money somehow, people. Goldman Sachs up 5% on earnings. Jesus. It's the opposite of JP Morgan over there with that guidance they had. Oh, look at that. They came down. Shook my lungs out probably. And now what, they going to try and retest the high for real? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick while this little price action unfolds. I'll be right back, people. I'll be right back. Look at that. Okay. I'm back. What we doing? They still reaching for this high? Hell, what we doing? Nvidia up 2%. That makes sense. Well, we called that trade if anybody took it. Boom. We called the shit out of that if anybody took that, people. Hope someone made that money. Hope someone made that money. Telling you, that's that setup. Real breaker structure, fair value gap. Psh, that's that setup. That's what we sitting here waiting on to happen on one of these stocks. I need something like that to happen on these stocks. Let's see. I got Palantir going good. Thank you. Let's see. Jesus. Let's watch how far this goes. How much the Nvidia cost? I know them things through the roof. 1,800. Yeah, right. That's funny. Well, if anyone had that money, free bands on Nvidia today. Let's see. They can't get enough of Nvidia out here. Thank you for the little Nvidia shares and the Nvidia debit spreads I'm holding. Cause I wish I could hop in that action day trade that. Like they giving them setups. It's all good though. Back to QQQ. Let's look at Palantir. Well, similar setup on Palantir as well. It wasn't as clean, but it was similar. We damn near want QQQ to break this to go long, or they reject up here and pull back down. That's what we looking for at this point. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, excuse me, chat. Patience is key. Just another day in these markets, people. What we got? What we got? What do we have? This is why I stay away from early morning price action. You see how they like to do you? It's like you can make money, but it's so quick. It's so quick. I don't mind getting in and out quick, but I like to get in and out of a sustained move. I like to get out that move that was 200% and we caught 60 or 70. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But either way, we still here. We still here. Let's see when this QQQ gonna catch up to the stocks. Okay, Nvidia starting to pull back a little bit. Just a little bit. It's just going. I mean, that's a riskier entry than the one I wanted to take, but if I might double down, people, you know what I'm saying? But you see that right there. That's the one right there. That setup is tried and true. That hard line breaking structure, probably higher time frame. Market structure shift, fair value gap gone. If it had broke this, we could have bet it went to here. That's why I like the setup so much. Let's see. QQQ is running into some trouble out here, my guys. We might restart this stream at 11. What I was thinking about doing, I was testing the open just because I wanted to be here for open for you guys. But I'm actually thinking about, doing like maybe an evening stream, getting back on live, like maybe 11, 12 o'clock, because so far on this live stream, all the real price action been going on past 10:30. Like I've been sitting here on stream, watching, waiting, trying to take a little scalp because I'm bored, which is bad. If anybody watching me, if you see me take a scalp and I say something like, oh, I'm putting low money on it, I'm not really confident, I just want to test the waters, don't follow no trades like that. And really, you shouldn't be following none of my trades because this is not financial advice. You should just read the price action and, try and learn something or maybe add it with what you already know, because I know a lot of y'all probably already know how to trade, you feel me? But we just waiting right now. There are plays to be made, but we're trying to be patient because we don't want to try and short here and get it to go here or wait for them to break this and play it up to here from here. No, ain't nobody trying to do that. We want to get a bigger move. So we're going to sit here and we're going to wait until they give us our setup, like that NVIDIA setup I showed you guys earlier on the stream. So it's 10 a.m. Let's see if the 10 a.m. bar going to give us anything today. Let's see. Nathan so far. This is actually a pretty good market. Considering what happened on the weekend, we should actually be pretty happy about what has happened out here. Let's see what they gonna do. Reach for the high, reach for the low. How we playing it, people? How they playing it, people? Super Micro's up, Nvidia's up, AMD's up, Tesla's down, SPY's up, Amazon's up, SoFi's up. I might have to get back involved in the cause. I do hold SoFi shares. I'm in that cause with my guys. Marathon, the Bitcoin plays, they a little down. Royal Caribbean's up. JP Morgan's trying to recover. Home Depot's flat. Nike is still going. Nike's that play right now. I like that. That's great news for all my Nike investors. I know a lot of people bought it for technical reasons. I know a lot of people bought it for fundamental reasons. Whatever reason you bought it for, it's looking good. We bounced off this area down here, which if you do regular technical analysis was also a double bottom. Plus we had an order block down here. And they're trying to go higher. I don't day trade Nike. I would swing trade Nike. If I see a good entry, I'll hop back down. But so far it's going. So at this point, you might want to wait for a pullback if you didn't already get in that. You feel me? But, we're mostly tech over here. We try and get diversified. Look at Palantir over here going. Come on, do your thing, man. Do your thing. Give me some money. Where is Apple down? That is not cool. It's all good, though. Palantir is going. I might start trading Palantir, but I don't want to do that because I know they will flatten out and I will be sitting on this stream sick. Like everything moved except Palantir. We're not doing that. Okay. That's a decent play for my scalpers. Got two little confluences. You got cross up, fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? We're above the VWAP and the 200. You know what I'm saying? But they in a bearish fair value gap, so the risk is the risk. It's not my type of trade, but it's a decent entry, you know what I'm saying? It's not the highest probability of setups though, but you do got a few confluences on you on the lower time frame, so it ain't bad. With the rest of the market going up, I can't knock that. I can't knock that. I like to see how it plays out though, because when we strike, we like to strike. We don't like to waste our energy and buying power. Most important, our mental capacity. We don't like to waste our mental capacity scalping and chasing little short moves. No, no, no. It's I tell people. Well, I don't know. I ain't gonna say I tell people, but I know me personally. I've only got so many trades in me per day before I'm mentally exhausted. Period. Like, ooh, look at an Nvidia back in 904. Yes, sir. Man, damn, I should have had the money to buy them calls. That thing is still going. Ever since that trade we called every day. I mean, earlier today. Jesus Christ. Still going from that market structure shift. It's all good. See what QQQ on. It's the open, people. So if there's any lesson to be learned from this live stream, once again, is we are not in an open type of market if you're trading a QQQ. Now, if you was trading NVIDIA, we was in an open type of market. Let's review what happened at the open. I might pause the live stream and come back for the midday session. So we had NVIDIA ride for real at open. They gave you a real setup. Let's see what Supermicro did. They gave that same setup NVIDIA gave. Supermicro is the same thing. Let's see what AMD did. AMD went through it. This is why I stopped day trading AMD actually, because on a shares point of view and maybe on a Leap's point of view, I like it because I understand they're gonna be involved in AI, but they're not reporting the same thing on the balance sheet as like an NVIDIA and a Supermicro, so it just diverges. Like, you'll want it to trade with the rest of the chip stocks, and some days it will, and some days it'll do this. Where NVIDIA was doing what it was doing, and it's struggling over here. I don't like that type of stuff. Tesla selling off on the deliveries. That was actually a pretty easy play if I was paying attention to it too. That's why I got to get more screens because of stuff like this. Because we had to break a structure with the fair value gap. Look, first bar in the morning. Could have took that and boom, free bands. That's crazy. Let's see. I really be watching QQQ because it's so flexible. Like, they got different strike prices, calls cheaper, puts cheaper. But I might have to start trading some of these other stocks, man. Palantir just don't like to trade as a day trade because they like to flatten out on you for months. As a swing trade, as a position, I love it, biggest position. But as a day trade, I will trade Palantir if necessary. Let's see. Yeah, Amazon going crazy. Amazon going stupo. What they did, tanked in the morning. Went below the 200. Ooh, I could have caught this little money. I probably would have took that. I would have had to get out of that because it happened so fast. Then it would have reversed on me. I wonder would I have caught that. I might have caught that. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. So yeah, man. First 30 minutes of the day is over. And once again, it was time to sit out. Time to sit out, unless you was training NVIDIA, that is. You feel me? Or Supermicro computer, them guys. Either way, we're going to catch a play. The market's going to break out sooner or later, and we're going to try and be here when it happens. You feel me? We're going to try and be here when it happens. Let's see. Okay, let's see what they do this time. Then it came down to the 200. Are they going to bounce again? If I was on my scalping shit, I damn near want to buy it right here, but nah, I'll wait. Because it ain't doing nothing but rejecting. On a reject day, it ain't going to do nothing but reject. Let's see. Can they actually break this time? There they go. There it go. Broke for real this time. If this fakes out, they going to that high. It's gonna take the small gain. It's all good. Let's see. Do they want to do it or not? Are they cap or not? Are they cap or not, people? That's what we're trying to figure out. We take a little small gain. Take a little small gain. Let it keep riding because the entry wasn't the best. But it might keep riding. Let's see how low it can go. There. Oh, I'm about to say there it go. Let's see what happened. They're gonna be able to hold it down. It's a setup right here. It's not as strong as the one we saw in Nvidia, but it's a similar situation. We got a short-term price action breaker structure with a fair value gap. We just broke below the 200. I took a little bit of that. I'm actually out because I hesitated a little. I didn't get it high enough, but I made a small gain. And now I want to see what happens. What the hell? Did my computer just glitch on live? That thing was doing all that. I'm up here talking. It's still going. Ooh, look at it go. Look at it go. That was a short. People look like we called us two little trades today. We called Nvidia long and a QQQ short. It looked like today. Looked like we called Nvidia long and a QQQ short today. That's decent. We still should have waited till 10 a.m. though. Because everything happened at 10 a.m. We was just sitting here for no reason early this morning. It's all good though. It's all good. Let's see. Damn, they put and did that already? Sheesh. Put I just bought did fucking 50%. Shit went from $60 to $89. Damn. We calling some shit today, people. We doing a little something today. This a little more interesting than the other live stream. Now this is the part where we see how far they could take it. Jesus, I should have held that put. I'd have been up damn near 100%. It's all good though. We're gonna have plenty of chances to get up 100% out here. But we called that, made some money. Didn't make it all, but it's all good. I hope if anyone was watching, I hope y'all got more to move than I did. You feel me? Gone. Shit is gone. That is crazy. Now we're at the low. Now we at like a pre-market low type area. Let's see what they gonna do down here. 1 second, stream. What up, my guy? All right, I'll pick it up. Yes, sir, stream. We finally called us one on live. Damn, I should have made some more money off that, but we gonna make plenty of money on this channel. And it ain't necessarily about me making money. Like, I trade, but it ain't about me trading. It's about the price action, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I call something and you agree with it, if you understand technical analysis and you feeling the same thing I'm feeling, take that trade, you feel me? Take that trade. Like, I called 2 pretty good trades today. I didn't even have enough money to do the Nvidia trade. It looked like it's done pulled back. Ooh. See, now that's how you get your money. So we called it here. It's done went all the way up here and it's done pulled all the way back down. Now we want to see if it break this market structure shift area. We're going to come back and look at that later on today. I'm going to turn off the stream for now. For this first half of the day, we got 2 little moves. We call it Nvidia trade. And we saw this down move when they broke this 200. And this breaker structure confirmed it. Went down here. It was good money for anyone who took it. You know what I'm saying? And this was a decent morning. It started off slow, but it heated up pretty fast. I'm going to probably be back a little later on, and we're going to try and take some more trades. And it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to see you guys in a few minutes. I got to run and handle some little business real quick. But if anybody sees this, either live or on the playback, let me know. Did you enjoy the stream? Is there anything you would like